Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to search for a channel on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube application on our devices. It can be either an Android iPhone or a computer. Go to YouTube. Next, in the search box here, we're going to type in any word we want. Let's say there's Drake. Let's find an example. Here appear in a variety of videos, channels, music, and so on. If we want to search on this query, just channels. We have written any query, and here at the top click on the three dots. And then I click here, and we select Type, Cite, and select Channel. Exit. And now we have here channels called Drake. That is Drake music. Drake. Let's say there's media. There's Drake songs and different channels. And we search and search and search and find the channel we want. You can also type any query, any word at all, in the search box and find it. If you liked and helped the video, you can subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.